In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a square, circle, or arrow in a picture in Photos on iPhone. So first, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, browse through your photo library and choose the picture that you want to edit. Just tap on the photo so it opens in full screen. After the photo opens, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the edit icon. It looks like a small mixing or adjustment icon located near the trash can icon. This will open the editing tools where you can adjust things like lighting, color, and also access the drawing tools. Once you're inside the editing screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the marker icon. This will open the markup tools, which allow you to draw, write, and add shapes directly on top of your photo. You'll notice several pen tools at the bottom, but for shapes like squares, circles, and arrows, there's another option you'll want to use. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the plus icon. When you tap it, a small menu will appear with additional tools you can add to your image. From that menu, tap on Add Shape. After selecting Add Shape, you'll see a list of different shapes you can insert into your photo. This includes things like a square, circle, arrow, speech bubble, and more. Simply tap on the shape you want to use, and it will immediately appear on top of your photo. Once the shape is added, you can easily move it around by dragging it to any part of the picture. If you want to resize it, just drag the small handles on the edges of the shape to make it larger or smaller. You can also rotate certain shapes like arrows if you want them pointing in a different direction. You can also customize the appearance of the shape. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see color options that allow you to change the color of the shape so it stands out better in your photo. This is especially useful if you're highlighting something specific or pointing something out with an arrow. If you want to add more shapes, just tap the plus icon again and choose another one from the list. You can combine multiple shapes in the same photo, which can be helpful if you're labeling different parts of an image or creating a quick visual explanation. Once you're done adding and adjusting your shapes, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes to your photo. Your edited picture will now include the shapes exactly where you placed them. And that's it. Just open the Photos app, select your photo, tap the edit icon, open the marker tools, tap the plus icon, choose Add Shape, and then select the shape you want, like a square, circle, or arrow. So that's how you draw a square, circle, or arrow in a picture using the Photos app on your iPhone.